Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect Cloudflare to Hostinger. But first, what you need to do is create a Cloudflare account. So click on add site here and insert your domain. And on your domain provider's website, what you need to do is find the name server settings. So just delete the current name servers and insert the ones that are provided by Cloudflare. Okay, so what you do in your Cloudflare account, you select your domain and open it at DNS settings. So select the domain, go to DNS settings, go to records here. And what you want to go ahead and do is delete the A or AAAAA records for your root domain. Basically the ones that point your domains, to any IP address. So if there are any, go ahead and delete those and add these to CNAME records. So CNAME 1, put the name as the @ symbol, put this as the content. And your TLL, what you're going to do, select any, or you can leave a default value. Proxy status, make sure it's DNS only. The same thing here for CNAME 2. Name would be www. The content should be this, the exact one. Okay, connect.hostinger.com. For TTL, you select any, or you can leave the default value. Make sure this one is also DNS only. This is an example of what it should look like. Okay, and then you just go ahead and open the SSL or TLS tab and select the option as full. Okay, and finally, you just want to give the connection process some time to complete. Your website will be available online within 24 hours. Really that easy and simple. So smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.